I'm hiking in Shropshire. I'm planning my route using this map. I'm working out how far it is to this castle and which way it is. I'm here by the campsite. First, I need to find out which direction the castle is in. For that, I'll need a compass. A compass shows 4 main directions, or points: north, east, south, and west. The thing wobbling around in the middle there is the needle. The needle always points north, and the top of the map is north. I can see the castle is east of where I am, so the castle must be that way. Now, I need to know how far it is. A map is a 2-dimensional drawing of an area. The scale on a map shows how many times bigger the real world is than the map. So, 4 centimeters on this map is 1 kilometer in real life. So I can see that the castle is 2 kilometers from where I am. I like old paper maps, but we can also use maps on our phones or tablets. Which is just as well.
If we have a look at a compass, we'll see north at the top, then east, south and west, and it's notated from 0, 090, 180, 270 degrees. So it's a full circle, 360 degrees, 0 at the top, all the way around to 360. So we can use this notation to work out direction. So in the next exercise, we're going to look at the direction. So here we are, initial direction you're facing is north, the movement or angle is 180 degrees, so the final direction you're doing is south. So if you complete the rest, that'd be fantastic. We'll see you for the next task. So the next task, I've given you a grid. So at the bottom left, start here, then you count north, south, east or west in the direction that it gives you in the question. So if we have a look at the question, it will give you north, south, east or west and which way to go. And we'll work our way around this grid using the compass. So if we go north 4 squares, where are you? And from that position, go to the next one, then go 3 squares to the east. Then from that position, go 3 squares to the south. So go this all the way around and you'll find the answer in the end. On this next one, we're going to use Navionics web app, and we're going to find the distance from Holyhead to Dublin, Castletown to Fleetwood, Castletown to Amlot, and you can make your own 2 up. So on here, we're going from Holyhead to Dublin, and the distance is shown just above Dublin. And I'm going to just show you how to use this on Navionics. This is Navionics, which is an electronic chart version. We've looked at this in the past. What I want you to do is to zoom into this area in the Irish Sea between North Wales and Ireland. And the first thing I want you to do is to go to menu, go into settings, and change the settings for units to distance into NM, which is nautical miles. So the 3 we got here is kilometres, nautical miles, and miles. So I want it on nautical miles. Okay, so click on nautical miles, and then we've got our chart. And on this, we can zoom in and out. We can either zoom in and out using the buttons here to hold the UK. So the questions that I've given you are in the Irish Sea here. So the first question I've given to you is Holyhead to Dublin. So Holyhead to Dublin. So to get it, click on the dividers here. They'll go, click back on the dividers, and we'll get the dividers here. The red is where we're starting. So click on the red for Holyhead, then click to Dublin. And what I want you to do first is to work out what you think it is. So with your compass, north, east, south, west. Well, Holyhead to Dublin is pretty much due west. So the answer we're expecting is about 270. And here we are. The answer is 270 degrees. So the answer to your question is 270 degrees, 55.93 miles. So I'll do the next one, Castletown. So we're starting at Castletown. So if we go in a little bit, we'll see Castletown up here. Castletown to Fleetwood. And Fleetwood is over here. Oh, let's just grab it. And Fleetwood is just over here. So Castletown to Fleetwood, think of the big compass, north, east, south, west. So Castletown to Fleetwood, Fleetwood is about 90 degrees, just south of 90 degrees. So here we go, yep, we're right, 98 degrees. So the answer is 98 degrees, 57.71 miles. And the next one would be Castletown again, starting in Castletown and going to Amlock down there. Okay, I'm going to take that off Amlock because I want you to do it. So come along, do this, start at Castletown, down to Amlock. And for the last two in that box, I want you to choose anywhere you wish. And starting point's the red, and the purple's the finish point. I want an angle and distance from any 2 points. So here we go. Navionics web app. You can zoom in and out, look at the features, have a look at it. It's a fantastic tool for electronic charts. When we get back in the classroom, we're going to get a paper chart out, and we're going to do this with paper charts. But at the moment, have a play with the Navionics. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.